Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we will talk about stylish hand embroidery designs and ideas. If you love handmade art and creative swing, this video is for you. Today we are going to explore some beautiful hand embroidery designs that are easy to make and perfect for beginners as well as experienced embroidery lover. Let's begin. Hand embroidery is a wonderful hobby that lets you decorate fabric with colorful thread. You can create beautiful designs on clothes, pillow covers, table runners, bags, handkerchiefs, and many other items. Every stitch adds a special handmade touch. One of the most popular embroidery designs is the floral pattern. Flowers never go out of style. You can make roses, daisies, sunflowers, or small wildflowers in many colors. Flower embroidery looks beautiful on dresses, shirts, and home decor. The next idea is leaf embroidery. Simple green leaves make any design look fresh and natural. You can combine leaves with flowers to create a complete garden pattern. Another lovely design is butterfly embroidery. Butterflies bring beauty and color to your fabric. Use bright thread colors to make the swing stand out and give your project a cheerful look. If you like simple patterns, try geometric embroidery. Straight lines, circles, triangles, and small shapes create a modern stylish design. These patterns are easy to stitch and perfect for beginners. Next is the heart embroidery. Hearts are simple to make and are perfect for gifts. You can decorate baby clothes, tote bags, or cushion covers with small embroidered hearts. You can also create name or letter embroidery. Stitches, names, or short words make your project personal and unique. These designs are great for gifts and special occasions. Different embroidery stitches can make your work more interesting. The running stitch is easy to create for outline. The back stitch creates neat lines. The satin stitch fills shape with smooth color. The lazy daisy stitch is perfect for flower petal, while the French knot adds tiny textured detail to flowers and leaves. Choosing the right thread colors is also important. Bright colors create a lovely design, while soft pastel shades give a calm and elegant look. You can match the thread colors with the fabric for the best results. Always use good quality fabric and embroidery thread. Keep your fabric tight in any embroidery hook to make stitching easier and more even. Take your time and enjoy every stitch because hand embroidery is all about creativity and practice. The best part is about hand embroidery is that every design is unique. Even simple patterns become beautiful when they are made by hand. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.